Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. When the market is relatively slow like it currently is, the order in which you buy and sell really matters. So the question is, should you buy first or sell first? Let's break it down. So the first option is to buy first and then sell. You find your next home and submit a conditional offer, typically including financing, inspection, and a sale of property condition. Once accepted, you usually have 30 to 45 days to sell your current home before firming up the purchase. The biggest advantage is reduced pressure. You know where you're moving before you sell, which helps you avoid rushed decisions. In slower, buyer-leaning markets like the one we're currently in, sellers often accept conditional offers more readily. The downside to this is that conditional offers can be less competitive. Your home must be priced correctly to sell within the conditional period, and there's always a risk that another buyer could step in and bump your offer and take your purchase away from you. The second option is to sell first, then buy. Here, you sell your home first, often negotiating a longer close, which gives you time to shop with a firm budget. The upside is clarity and leverage. You know exactly how much equity you have, and you're negotiating from a stronger position. Financially, it's a lower risk. The trade-off is timing pressure. You'll need to secure your next home before closing, and temporary housing is sometimes a possibility if it's not done properly or if it doesn't work out. So, what do I recommend? In our current market, I often recommend buying first with a sale of property condition, assuming your home is marketable and will be priced realistically. That said, selling first can be the better move if you want maximum certainty and negotiating power when you go to buy, especially if you've been looking at homes and you see a few options out there on the market that work really well for you. You can also protect yourself with a seller purchase condition, ensuring that you find a suitable home before finalizing your sale. As you can see, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. There are variables to consider, and this decision comes down to a full review of all options and variables. With the right plan and realistic pricing, either approach can work. If you're considering a move, I'm happy to help you figure out which path makes the most sense for you. Thanks a lot for joining me, and feel free to reach out anytime.